Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the laptop. Enable virtualization in BIOS and give the emulator at least 4 GB of RAM so playback and preview stay smooth. Next, install BlueStacks or LD Player and sign into Google Play. This is faster than sideloading. Once done, search Play Store inside the emulator and install Alight Motion, or drag the APK into the emulator window to sideload. Make sure the emulator has access to your files so you can import media without extra copying. With Alight Motion open, create a new project and set the aspect ratio to 16:9 or your target device dimensions so exports match expectations. Then import footage, photos, and audio directly from the emulator's shared folder. Place them on separate layers, trim with the handles, and use the scissors tool to cut clips precisely. Once clips are placed, add keyframes for motion and easing for natural movement, apply color or blur effects, and preview frequently so you catch timing issues early. When you're ready to finish, save your project file first so changes aren't lost, then open Export Settings. Pick a codec, set resolution to 1080p or higher, choose 30 or 60 frames per second, and adjust bitrate to balance quality and file size. Export to emulator storage, then copy to your laptop or cloud. If exports are slow or preview stutter, increase the emulator's CPU and RAM allocation. Make sure virtualization is enabled, and update your GPU drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.